Hello everyone and good morning.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning. Good morning, Ravi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lijo. Good morning, Venkatesh, and good morning, everyone. Cool. The count looks good. 27 members, and we are starting our day 5. Cool. What exactly the day 5 is? If you will come to the website www.clouddevopshub.com, you will click on the current batch, and as soon as you will come here, you will get an option. This is the landing page for our next 55 days journey. What all things we are going to do. The journey has been already started from 20th of August, and this is the syllabus link. If you will click here, you will get a tracking sheet, what exactly we have to learn in the next 55 sessions. Okay. And if you are new, you don't know anything. Okay. The playlist is available here. As soon as you will click here, videos, whatever the recordings are available, it will be here. Guys, if someone asks, where is the recording? Because every day I'm getting 1 or 2 message from our registered student, where is the recording? If you're not able to understand, yes, 2-3 days recording is available here. Is that okay? Can anyone help if someone will ask this type of question? Confirm me, please. Right?
Yeah.
Guys, it's a help. Means it's see, sometimes at this point, if you will help for small thing, now the technical things will come into the picture and we have to help each other. Okay, cool. So day 1, 2, 3, 4 recordings are available, and this is the day 5th. Let's see the tracking sheet, what exactly we have learned. Cool. In the day 4, have we taken the overview of Linux? What exactly the Linux is? Yes or no? Confirm me, please.
Yeah.
History
Yes,
and
yes.
importance
History
of the
and
Linux.
architecture.
Not architecture. We have not taken the architecture.
Not much
What
architecture. Yeah.
correct? We have discussed only the
Basic
popularity,
things.
why the Linux is very popular. Okay, as well as we have seen why it's an open source tool. The code is available completely into the GitHub. Agree? Yeah. Now today I will
Yes.
go more into the hierarchy, how exactly it will be, and more than 10 plus or 20 plus commands we will discuss in the today's session, and we will create a GCP account and we will explore the GCP account as well in the today's session. The agenda is agenda this, plus we will come into the day 5 as well, because some part is already completed in the yesterday's session. So let me make it green. Okay, and yeah, that's it only we have covered up in the yesterday's session. Yep. And after that, day 4 and day 5 related thing we will do in the today's session. Okay, cool. Now quickly let's come to the PPT. As soon as you will come here, my intention to teach you this is very clear, guys. If you have a non-technical skill, you don't know anything, you can become a technical person in this week only. That is my intention. That's why we are discussing the Linux and the Linux administration activities. Primarily, we will focus for the DevOps engineer job role. Okay. And in the yesterday session, we have already discussed the operating system. Give me the answer quickly. What is operating system? First, go ahead.
Difference between hardware and software.
Correct. It's a middle system, middle machine or middle software, which will be between application and hardware. Good. Okay. Now, if you will see, guys, let me explain you again. Okay. If you will see, this is the hardware. This hardware is consumed by the application. Okay. How it is consumed by the application? With the help of this operating system, which is a middle software in between. Make sense? Yes or no? Confirm me.
Yes, yes.
This is called operating system. Okay. We have already discussed in the yesterday's session. See this and read this definition. That's it. Okay. Cool. What is Linux? Linux is the open source. The code is available into the GitHub. That's why we are calling as a open source. Developed by community because it is developed by 15,000 developers. Linux has been completely written into the C language and it's a kernel. Okay, for the computer, hardware, mainframe, and devices. Okay, the Linux is very similar to Unix. Let me explain you the Unix also in the next 5 minutes. Okay, cool. Linux is very popular because it's a completely freely available into the market, open source. You can download the code, you can change the code, customize the code, and you can resell it also. Very, very secure as compared to different or other operating system as well. Why it is secure? Because it doesn't support any of the exe or mxi file. In the exe only, the vulnerabilities will be packed and delivered to someone else. If it's not support exe file, so system or platform will be secure. Okay, it is stable as well as the performance of the Linux is very, very good as compared to another operating system. Everyone all good till now? Confirm me, please, quickly. Confirm. Yes, into the chat box. Everyone, please, everyone. Yes, everyone, fast, because we are repeating the same thing. Fast, everyone. Cool. Okay. I'm not going to explain you again what is Windows, what is Linux. We have already discussed in the yesterday's session. If you missed, you can have a look into the recording. Okay, cool. We have already discussed this in the yesterday's session. Okay, yes. Out of this mobile stream software, we have downloaded in our machine. Are you agree? Yes or no? Have you tried that yesterday?
Yes.
And
Yes.
yes, right? 2 years only. I need more years, please. We have downloaded this mobile extreme software.
Yeah.
Okay, and we are using it in our machine, local machine. Okay, no need to install. It's a binary file. Just download and run it. It will work. Playground. Can I expect that you have the playground account also? Everyone, confirm me, please.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Everyone, please. Okay, if you don't have, you must have to create this in the watch the yesterday's class recording and create this. Okay, cool. And physical machine, we are not going to teach you at this point. Okay, after 2 weeks, I will teach you this part. But my focus area is this because this is the most popular option available to use any of the Linux platform. Are you agree? Google Cloud, AWS, or Azure. These are the secondary part, but this is primary. Everyone agree with my point? Yes or no? We have to focus into this area, which is the real-time approach. Everyone agree? Confirm, please. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, we will create or we will go into the Google Cloud. Let's go into the Google Cloud. Okay. I'm going into my Google Cloud account. Okay. You don't have to worry. I will teach you in the today's session only. Okay. How to create account. But first look it and then I will help you. Okay. I'm coming and as soon as you will come into this place, console.cloud.google.com. This will be the home URL for your Google Cloud. Everyone agree? And this is telling welcome and the project name means he is welcoming me for the project this. Are you agree? Yes or no? Now the question is how to create a project. Right? Yes or no? Because if this is the day 1 of your GCP, how to create a project or how to connect to the project? Anyone here able to give the answer? Go ahead. Anyone here knows how to create a project into the Google Cloud? Very simple interview question. Go ahead. No one?
We never work on the GCP.
Very good. Very good. What about others? Guys, others. Say yes or no into the chat box. If you don't know, accept it.
Same here.
No
Not
one.
on
Sir.
AWS or Azure, not GCP.
Exactly. Very good. Okay, very good. So it's extra learning for everyone. We are sitting 45 students here and no one knows. Very good. Okay, guys, focus on my thing, please. Okay, now this is the URL. Okay, as this is the URL where you have to log in it with your username and password. We will log in it, not a big deal. Okay, and he is welcoming me for this project. Where is this project? If you will click here, yes, here are my set of projects. Okay, where you will see ABC project, 1, 2, 3 project in your companies. If you are working in multiple projects, yes, you will see like this. Now the question is, because it's a day 1 or we can say day 0 for the GCP, how to create a project. It's very, very simple, guys. Wait, now. Okay, you have to click here and here is the new option coming, new project. As soon as I will click here, yes, it is telling me that maximum 24 project has to be get created in one account. 24 projects are too much, right? One of the billing account can support 24 projects. Agree? Okay. Now, any one of you, tell me your name, please. Any one of you. Your full name.
Ankit.
ANKIT, Ankit, GUPTA. Ankit, you are a registered student, right? Batch 36. Okay. Ankit Gupta, Batch 36. I am creating as a project. Okay. And as soon as I will click here, and now new project is going to be get create. Okay. And Ankit project is created. Do you feel that is this a tough activity? You can click here and you will able to see that Ankit Gupta is the project. As soon as now it has been created. Are you agree, everyone? So if someone will ask how to create a project, this is the simple approach we can create it. Make sense?
Yeah.
Is there stuff? No, not at all. Okay. Now, if you are, let us assume I'm using this project, how to select this project? You can click on this and you will be landed into the Ankit Gupta project. That's it. Now, whatever the service I will use, it will be considered into this project. Make sense? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. It was a very simple thing, right? Now I'm going back to my project where I have a billing account, okay? Because it is charging. Okay. Now, You don't have to worry. For you, it will be free of the cost for the next 3 months. Okay, cool. Now I'm coming here. I'm into the GCP. This will be the homepage of my GCP. In the homepage, this is my project number. This is my project ID, and that's it. Okay, nothing else is coming. And whatever the quickly you want to access, it will be visible from this place. Okay? Good. Now my intention is I want a virtual machine. So there is a compute engine is the name. Okay. In this compute engine, there is a tab. There is an option called VM instance. I want a virtual machine instance. That's why I'm going into the VM instance. Now what happened? It is coming here and it is coming into the compute category, right? It is coming into the compute category where I'm looking for an instance into this project. Guys, you are able to understand this part?
Yes.
Everyone? No, I'm not. I don't think so. You are able to understand everyone. Chalo. Now, if I will ask with you, in the Google Cloud, it is telling compute instance, GCP, right? It is telling like this. In AWS, it is telling EC2. Correct? Yes or no? What is the full form of EC2?
Elastic
Elastic Cloud.
Elastic
Compute
Compute
Cloud.
Cloud. Okay, cool. What do you mean by elastic?
Expandable.
Correct. Increase or decrease, right?
Scalable.
Scalable. Good. Okay. This compute and this compute is same. What do you mean by this compute? Give me the answer. And I'm 100% sure I will reject a lot of students. Go ahead. Give me the answer. What is this compute?
CPU and RAM.
Good. Okay. What else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Guys, we are 50 and only one person is speaking at least. What about others? Guys, this compute and this compute is 100% same. What do you mean by this compute?
CPU and RAM. Same.
Hardware resources.
Correct. Very good. Hardware resources. Okay.
Hardware.
CPU, memory, disks, Ethernet, internet, Wi-Fi, GPU, TPU, whatever the hardware resources will come, it will come into the compute category. Okay. Compute. Okay. Means CPU, memory related thing into the machine. Understood? Into the cloud. Have you understood? Both are and indirectly both are same. Correct? Cool. Now my requirement is I want to create a machine. Okay. How to create it? You have to click on the create instance. As soon as you will click on the create instance, one template will be open. Template means he is asking the information from us. Provide the information. Based on that, he will create a machine for us. Agree? Yes. Please write yes into the chat box, everyone. Right? Cool. Now, very first step, it is asking a name with me. Please tell me any one of your name. Name. Unmuted, tell me.
Paramveer.
No, Ankit is already done. Anyone else?
Paramveer.
Paramveer. Paramveer. Now I'm creating a machine with the name Paramveer. Okay. This machine will be get created into the US region. If I will not select all this option and click on create, yes, machine will be get created with the help of single click. Okay. Machine can be created with the help of single click, but this is my real requirement. Okay, my requirement. Your client will ask that you have to configure this accordingly. We will change and we will create it. Okay, so I'm not touching all this parameter. I'm coming at this point as this is a day one. So I'm just selecting whatever is the primary requirement. Okay, the primary requirement is coming that Paramveer machine, which is of 10 GB, and it is telling that which operating system you want to create. Okay, so I'm canceling it. You have to click on this change. As soon as you will click on this change, operating system name is coming. Now tell me, there are so many options are available. Which one is the most popular operating system
Ubuntu.
available? Ubuntu. Everyone?
Ubuntu.
Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, this is what I would like to explain to you. Most popular operating system is Ubuntu, which is using in most of the companies for the learning purpose, for the production purpose, for the experimental purpose as well. Okay, because this is completely free of cost. Second, guys, in your company, what is your second choice? No, don't say your choice, company in your project. Tell me.
Windows Server.
Windows.
Windows.
I'm teaching Linux. Why should I come into Windows? No.
Reddit.
Red Hat, chalo, okay. But Red Hat is a different variety of distribution. Chalo, I will come into the Red Hat. Yes. What else?
CentOS.
Chalo, I agree. Yes. Your answer is absolutely correct. Guys, this is coming into 11th place, but I accept this answer. CentOS is using into the companies. Okay. In your real time, Ubuntu is getting used, Fedora is getting used, and CentOS is getting used very commonly. Okay, in terms of Linux, I'm very confident, very clear point. Okay, in terms of Linux, yes, these three are the very popular operating systems. Okay, good. Fedora, what we can say, Red Hat and Fedora will also come into the picture. I will come up. Okay, but here, how we get to know that yes, Ubuntu is the most popular operating system. We have to select like this. After that, which version of Ubuntu? Because if you will say that we are using the Ubuntu, which version of Ubuntu? If you are telling CentOS, which version of CentOS? This type of question will come. So Ubuntu version 20, we are using it or we will use into our production environment. The another keyword is coming LTS. What do you mean by LTS?
Long-term support.
Very good.
Long-term support.
Very good. What do you mean by long-term support? Yes. What do you mean? Go ahead.
It's a stable version.
Patches will
The version which we have, it's latest, so we don't need to update it frequently.
It's a latest plus it will work for a longer time. It's a stable version.
time.
Okay, means he's indirectly telling you you can use into your production environment as well. No need to worry for that. Okay, so I'm taking the same one. Tell me the size, how much size of the machine you need? 10, 15, 20, 30 GB, anything.
30,
30 or 13, what you're telling?
30, 30.
30. Okay, yes, I selected that. Means these are customizable. We can customize as per our requirement. Okay, and select it. Now, whatever you will select it, Paramveer 30 GB Ubuntu. Means I did 3 more click and this 3 more configuration. Agree? And after that, I'm coming down. I'm allowing the traffic because this machine is available into the US. I'm sitting into the India. Internet will be required to access this machine. Are you agree? Yes or no? Right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then as soon as I will click on create, my machine will be created. This is a normal way. Okay, if you are looking to look 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh package, yes, this is the normal way. Anyone here, experienced person, how all the commands, I want to do all the activity with the help of commands. Is that possible? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Like we can use
Yes.
templates. You can use.
In place of template, I can use a command as well. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
Now, anyone here knows the command? I'm 100% sure no one knows. Even I also don't know, Chalo.
We can get it on telephone equivalent command.
Very good. Okay, let's assume you don't know anything. Okay, you don't know any single command also, but Google Cloud is very intelligent. He also knows you don't know the command. So he is writing whatever the configuration you are doing, accordingly, he is writing the command for you. As soon as you will click here, the full command has been generated for you. I am copying this. Okay. I am 100% sure we will not able to remember anything, but at least see it on a high level. Okay. Paramveer machine. Okay. On this project. Okay. Whatever the configuration we did, accordingly, it is showing Ubuntu, this one, 30 GB size. This is our configuration, correct, right?
Sure.
Right. So you don't have to worry about the command. Command is automatically generated at this point. So you don't have to remember the command also. If you understand the fundamentals, everything is automatically available. Fine. Cool.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So you don't have to worry. You don't have to go to Terraform. Google Cloud, AWS is also very intelligent at this point. They know what is the problem. Okay. And the problem has been solved. Command is ready-made available. Either you can copy, run the command, or either you can click on create and it will get created. I just click on the create and my machine will be ready. Okay. And as soon as the machine will be ready, yes, it will take, how much time it will take to, the machine will be ready? In?
2 to 5 minutes.
No, wrong answer.
3 seconds.
Yes, less than or around 30 seconds, my machine will be ready. Okay. And this is what I did in front of you. I created a one GC. I went into the Google Cloud. I created one machine in front of you. Okay. Now we will use this machine for our learning purpose in the entire session. Okay. AWS we will create after some time. Azure you can create. I will teach you. Okay. Very similar. No need to worry. Okay. Ubuntu is most popular, Fedora and CentOS. We have to understand these three, then our Linux will be very strong. Okay, trust me, I will use all the three in the future classes. Okay, cool. Now, in the Linux has been divided into multiple parts. Linux has been divided into multiple parts means Linux has been divided into Red Hat, Fedora, Debian, and other family. 4 varieties of distribution is available into the Linux. Red Hat. Okay, Red Hat is an enterprise edition, enterprise or commercial use edition. Okay, it is not free. Red Hat is an organization. He is giving you the Linux or Unix on the chargeable basis. Agree? Yes or no? You have to purchase the license, then only you will able to use the Red Hat.
Sure.
Okay. Another way, very similar, Red Hat organization only created one more operating system with the name of Fedora. Okay, this is also a commercial product and used into the enterprise editions as well. Okay, Debian also available, which is freely or open source available. Okay, our Ubuntu is coming into this category. Our Ubuntu is coming into this category, or whatever the operating system, the list I given in the yesterday session, it is coming into the Debian category. And other category is also available where CentOS, SUSE, or so many different operating systems are coming. You can remember two part, Red Hat and Debian family. Okay, Red Hat, which is enterprise developed by the company, used for the licensing products. Debian, very important, very good, very popular, but it is freely open source available into the market. Okay, you are learning with me. Okay, means you are getting a support from me, right? Yes or no? Our training is a commercial product. Same thing is available on the YouTube. You can directly access free of cost. Agree? Yes or no? Remember? Able to
Yep.
remember?
Yes.
Right? Here you will get, see, same Linux, same Ubuntu, you will get a support from the Red Hat also if something happened wrong. Yesterday, someone is not able to access the login or anything happen, I will help you out. Right? So here Red Hat will support you, guide you. Okay, same thing happen into it is an enterprise edition and it is a free edition. Now, the very important thing came, which is still burning point, difference between Unix and Linux. Anyone here can able to give the answer? What is Unix? Tell me. Go ahead.
Unix is an operating system or kernel where it is not free. It's Linux and Unix mostly same. Only the main part is the support, open source or commercial.
Okay. But yeah, give the better answer. Let's assume you are sitting into the interview. Okay, give me the answer. This answer will not acceptable. Yes. Anyone else?
Linux is a open source and developed by a community.
Correct.
And it is a kernel operating system.
I'm looking for the answer for Unix. Don't give the Linux. Unix. Answer is Unix. Linux I already teach you. Unix. No one knows. We are 47 members. Guys, give me the answer. What is Unix? Very good. No one knows. Chalo.
I
My
think,
turn.
yeah,
Go ahead.
for-
Go ahead.
yeah, Unix, I think there is we can say that it's not on the GUI basis, and also this is not
Wrong answer.
available for free.
Wrong answer. Not available for free. Agree. But GUI is available. Okay. GUI is.
The flavor of Unix.
Can you repeat it? Can you write this into the chat box? What you told? Can you
Linux
repeat?
is the flavor of the Unix.
Write it into the chat box. Write it, please. Write it, please.
Just write it.
Write it. Okay, because that is absolutely a wrong answer. Okay, no. Let me now my turn. Okay, Unix is a multitasking, multi-user operating system. Okay, everyone knows, not freely available into the market. Unix came in 1969. Unix came in 1969 by Kem Thompson into the AT&T lab. Okay, means there is a laboratory, mute. There is a laboratory, okay, or organization by the person Kem Thompson. In the 1969, Unix has been developed. First, Unix came from the idea of Unix, the Linux came. Okay, so you can say that Linux is very similar to the Unix. Don't say Unix is similar to Linux. No, Linux is similar to Unix because Unix came first and then Linux came. Clear, everyone? Rest of the things are similar. And Unix is licensed version, not freely available. It's enterprise edition, and Linux is free, of course, open source available into the market. It came in 1990. Got it? Yes or no? Yes, no, please. Clear?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm giving some difference between Unix and Linux also. Linux freely available, open source. Unix is developed into the AT&T lab. Linux is free, of course. Unix is licensed version. Okay. Supported file system. Linux support more as compared to this. Okay. Both has a GUI version. Okay. Don't feel that Linux or Unix don't have the GUI. Everything has a GUI option. Okay. Every operating system has a GUI option. Okay. But we are not using into the real time. Why we are not using into the real time? Tell me.
Waste of memory, right? And also the use case is not needed.
Okay. What about others? But what about others? The answer from the Nagaraj is absolutely correct. Unnecessarily, if we will use the GUI, it will be CPU memory will be high, right? Unnecessarily, we have to pay the rent for the CPU and memory. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that's why we are not using it, but option is available. Okay. Very similar. You can use in desktop servers, smartphones, same way, workstation, PCs, multitasking, we can use it. Okay. Here, Bourne shell, whatever the commands we will write, commands are also same into the Unix and Linux also. Okay. 90% commands are same. Okay. Linux has a Ubuntu, Debian, GNU, or these flavors. And Unix, if in your company, wherever you will see Sun Solaris, Sun OS, Unix A, AIX, HP, UX, Ultratex, you can understand that you are using the Unix environment. Okay. If in your company, these names are coming, okay, because everywhere Sun is also one of the organization, HP is one of the organization, right? Solaris is the flavor, but these are the organization who is selling the support to them. That's why they are putting the name like this. And if they are providing the support, you can understand that it's a Unix flavor. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, just write. Go ahead.
So Linux-based OSs are more popular or Unix-based OS are more popular?
See, both are popular, but if you need a support, you will go for the Unix. If you don't need a support, you will go for the Linux.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yes.
Also, Ubuntu Server Edition doesn't support UI, right? By default, it doesn't have the
No,
UI.
no. See, it's a choice. It's our choice. We want a UI or not. If we will use the UI, we have to give 5 GB of RAM, 10 GB of the RAM, right? Or higher CPU memory, right? We have to pay the rent for that because see, I created this machine. This is a rented machine. Are you agree? At this point, if I'm using or not using, I have to pay the rent. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. If I will take the GUI base where the big CPU and memory are there, definitely I have to pay the higher rent on a continuous basis. That's why companies are not using the GUI. We have to learn the commands. Okay. Now, yes, now we come here. As soon as our operating system will be installed, let's assume, okay, we install the Windows operating system, okay, and everyone, most of the people has the Windows operating system. As soon as you will install it, this type of some files will come automatically, correct? C drive, some files will come automatically. Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes, yes.
What is this? What is this? Give me the answer. What is this?
So these are the folders.
System files, system programs.
System files, operating
System directories.
system directories. What else? What is Windows? What is program data, program file? Are you aware about this whole thing?
That's
Yeah, few of them.
Few of them. Okay. Yesterday I have to give this homework to you guys. Okay, I missed it. Chalo, I will teach everything. Okay, no worries. Chalo, let's come and log in into the machine. Guys, I need someone to give the very good answer. As soon as I will click on this SSH, what will happen? Who will give this answer? Complete answer. Who has listened from me and able to give the answer? Ravi, you will give? Who will give?
No.
No,
I think
chalo.
we can access the SSH of that console.
Wait, leave it. Don't give the wrong answer now. Okay, chalo. Guys, now I have some interview questions. What is internal IP and external IP? Give me the answer first.
Internal IP is to mission
Private and
accessible
public
via
IP.
internal services within the
Okay.
cloud.
Internal IP, let's assume I have 5 machines here.
Local machine IP.
My turn. Okay. Internal IP, let's assume you have 5 machines. They want to talk with each other so they can communicate with the help of internal IP. External IP, you and me are sitting into the India region, US region, Australia region, okay, which we are accessing with the help of internet. So external IP will be required. In other term, it's a public IP or private IP. Okay, private IP is equivalent to the internal IP for the internal communication, same VPC, same network. External IP, public IP accessible over the internet. Cool. Okay, Abhishek answer is correct. Okay, and now I click on this SSH. As soon as I will click on this SSH, okay, what will happen? My machine validation is happening. This users are same or not. Keys are getting generated. Okay, which keys? Give me the answer.
Public, private.
Public and private.
Private and
private
public
key.
key are generated automatically. Okay, keys are getting verified. Okay, and with the help of port number 22, I will be landed into the machine. And yes, I have already landed into the machine. This is my username and this is the Paramveer machine. Got it? As soon as I click here, public key, private key has been generated, validation, verification happened, all looks good with the number port number 22. I have landed into this machine. Clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Now, very first command, sudo -i. At this point, I'm a Vikas user. Okay, whatever activity, whatever the level of access Vikas has, Vikas can able to do it. But as soon as I will run the command sudo -i, I become the root user. Okay, what is root user? Next interview question.
Like the system administrator.
Administrator. Okay, who can do the administration level activities. Good. Okay, now next question. Guys, listen the question very carefully. What is this sign? What we call this sign?
It's
Root
still
directory.
Write it into the chat box. Yes, write it into the chat box. Don't be silent, guys. If you will sit silent, there is no sense. If you are sitting silent, you are not coming for the learning purpose. Write into the chat box. What is this? What is this tilde sign? Subhash, write into the chat box. Everyone write into the chat box. Yes, guys, whoever is telling it's a home directory, yes. This is the home directory for the Vikas user. This is the home directory for the group user. Okay, in the home directory, if you will type ls is list, whatever is available, it will say only one file is available here. Okay, or one folder is available here. Okay, now this is a home directory. Okay, now cd slash, if I will make the slash, what do you mean by cd? First tell me the command. What is cd? Change the directory. Okay,
Directory.
I'm changing the directory. First time came here, right? I came into this place. This is my everything will be visible here. Out of that, I'm changing the directory to the C drive. I'm going here cd slash. Slash is the root directory of the Linux machine. Means I'm coming to the C drive of my Linux machine. Got it? Now this tilde sign has been changed to the slash. Means I came into the C drive of the Linux machine. Agree? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Everyone? Everyone? Cool. Okay. Now, this place and this place. Okay. This place and this place is same. We will compare it now. Okay. Good. Now, here, so many files are there. I want to see all the files. If I type ls, yes, same set of files are available here. Here I have a bin, here I have a lib, here I have a, what we can say, temp, var, users. See here, users, very same. Guys, tell me the answer. What is this users? So that at least whatever the simple things we will complete first. What is this users?
Whoever has an account, no, there will be separate
Correct.
folder.
Whatever the accounts of folder 5 account systems has been created here. My name is admin, so admin related, or whatever the things are there, your names are available. It will be visible here. Okay. Whatever the users can access your machine, that is available here. Same thing into the Linux user. If you will go here, whatever the users can able to access, his detail will be available into this folder. Clear? User. Same. 100% same. Okay. Cool. Now let me show into the PPT. We came into the root location where lot of file and systems are available. If you type ls, you will able to see it like this. Okay. Root. This is means, guys, don't get confused. Root is a user as well as root is a location. Root is a user as well as root will be the location. Okay. Clear, everyone? Root has a two work. Okay. It's a user as well as it's a location as well. Okay. The slash I am calling as a location. Okay, good. Now, what is etc? Anyone knows what is? Chalo, no, leave it. What is this Windows folder? What is this?
All the Windows related files.
Configuration files.
Operating system related files.
Yeah. Operating system related files will be available here. Okay, good. Same way into the Linux also, etc is available where system configurations files are available. Okay, system, or you can say operating system related configuration files are available. Okay, bin. What is bin? What is the full form of bin? Binary, right?
Binary.
What do you mean by binary?
The executable file can be
Correct.
anything.
It's directly a executable file ready to run. Ready to run means you don't have to install it. You can just keep it and you can able to run it. Okay. So this bin is not available into the Windows. Okay. So my request, go to your C drive, right click, create a folder, bin. Done. Okay, create a bin folder, please. Everyone. If bin is not available in Windows, we will create it and we will follow the similar to the Linux. Okay. I created a bin folder. Yes, it is here. Please, everyone create a bin folder into your C drive. Done. Just write done into the chat box because I am giving you the best practice. Okay. So that you will not face any problem while using the softwares into the Windows also. Okay. Right. Create a bin folder and write done into the chat box. Everyone. 3, 4. Yes.
Mac is not necessary.
Mac is not necessary. Ignore Mac people. Okay. Yes. 7, 8. Guys, only 8 people has done. No, I need more. You have Ubuntu, well and good. No worries. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Now, in this bin, we will use into the future, but all the binaries, Apache, Maven, Gradle, whatever we will use, Terraform and all these things, we will put into this folder. Okay. So it's just a pre-plan we are doing it. Okay. Cool. Now, bin folder where binary files can be kept it into this place. Okay. User, we have already discussed. Can anyone give me the answer? Users. Answer first. Repeat it.
Yeah, whoever having accounts, no, for
Correct.
them they'll be. Yeah.
Correct. Okay. It is very similar into the Windows and Linux. TMP, temporary directory. What is temp in Linux?
It's a volatile memory. Like whenever we do a restart, I think those files will go off.
Okay. For temporary operations, the activity or the thing will happen into the TMP location. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, in the Windows, what is this program file or program file? What is this 2 folders?
Installed programs will contain all the related
Nagaraj?
files here.
Good. Nagaraj, you given a lot of answer. Give the opportunity to others as well. Okay. Now, your first bench too, you have to go to the last bench. Okay. Yes. Others, give me the answer. What is this program files?
Installed programs.
Softwares will be available into this. Okay. Why 2? Why 2?
64-bit, 32-bit.
Correct. 64-bit. This is if your processor is 64-bit, it will be 64-bit related softwares will be here. If it's a 32-bit, it will be visible here. Okay. Same thing. If you will come into the Linux machine, the dev location is there where the software install, or sometime it will go into the etc also and it will go into the dev folder. Clear, everyone? Good.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is bare minimum. You have to remember it. Okay, remember it, please. Okay, and after that, it's a higher version. Let's quickly on a high level. We don't have to remember this all. Practically, we will not able to remember. Means what I want to say that out of this important part, and some are there which is not very common. Okay, because we are using from the last 10 years laptop, and we don't know what is perf log. What is NFM demo, right? We don't know, right? We don't know Intel drivers, right? We don't know all these things. So you don't have to remember everything, okay? But if you want to explore, you can take 5-minute time, means after the class, and read all these things. You will able to remember. Bin, binary files are available. Boot, where machine, how the machine got started, related to this will be available into the /boot folder. I'm giving a homework, okay? Guys, can you write down your homeworks and post into the FB? Instead of I will post, you can post that this is the homework, right? How the boot process works. This is one of the homework for you, which we will discuss on the Friday class, but try to understand. You have 3-4 days, try to understand with the help of internet, okay? How the boot process of Linux work. Dev, where all the device related files are available, etc. What we can say specific file or whatever the configuration file, it will be available into this place. Home directory of the particular user will related information will be here. Libraries, shared modules will be available here. Okay. Mount point, MNT, mount points means if you are connecting, let's assume in this machine, I have a multiple drives, right? D drive, E drive, F drive, G drive, right? So multiple mount points we have. If we create a mount points into the Linux, it will be visible into this place. Just read it. You will able to remember. You will able to understand it. You don't have to remember it, but just read it. Okay. You will read after the class. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Now we will come into the actual part of the class. Okay. Where we have to do all the activity of Linux with the help of commands. Trust me, guys, whatever the commands we are going to learn, most of the commands will work into the Windows also. Okay. I open my Windows CMD, my Windows command prompt. Okay. First, I'm trying to run this command into the Windows, okay? So that it's a mind blowing for you. You will understand that whatever we are learning, it will work into the Windows as well. Very first command, okay? Very first command. What is the very first command, guys?
Hostname.
Hostname.
Hostname. I'm running into Windows, guys. This is command prompt. It's a Windows, right? Look like black skin, but it's a Windows. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? I'm running this command HOST-NAME and I'm press enter. My machine name is DevOps. Yes, it is showing here. Cool. Cool. Now, if I will run the same command into my Linux, okay, the colorful wala, okay, this is Windows and this is Linux, okay, HOST-NAME, okay, and as soon as I press enter, Paramveer is coming, means the name of the machine is Paramveer. How can I verify? It is verified with the help of this. Yes, you understood that same commands are into the Windows, Linux, everywhere working,
Yes.
right? So some commands will work into the Windows as well. Okay, I don't want you to confuse, so I'm just closing the Windows, but I'm just telling that similar commands are working in Windows as well. Okay, cool. Now another command, hostname -i. I just type hostname, machine name is coming, hostname -i. If I type hostname -i, what will happen? The IP address of the machine is coming, right? Now tell me which IP address is this? 10.128.15.211. It's a
Local
public. Type it right into the chat box.
Private
Right,
IP.
right into the chat box. Right into local IP, private IP, public IP, external IP, whatever you feel. Right into the chat box. Everyone, write it. Write it. Everyone, yes, fast. And I guess I get a mixed answers, right? Right? So answer can be one correct, right? But a lot of people are giving a lot of new answers. Let me tell you very straightforward. 10.128. Remember 10.128, 10.128, 10.128, 10.128 is an internal IP, private IP. Clear? Clear, everyone? It's an
Yes.
internal IP. Okay. Now I would like to check the external IP. How to check the external IP? Okay, there is a command curl IP config. Chalo, I'm giving a question to you. This is your Windows machine. Tell me the public IP of your Windows machine. How to find the public IP? This is private IP we found with the help of hostname-i command. Tell me the public IP of your machine, Windows machine. How to find out? Give me the answer. Let me check you know Windows or
ifconfig.
not. Write it into the chat box. Run the command also. Okay, if I'm speaking, run the command and find out the IP. Go ahead. Everyone. Chalo. Some people knows ifconfig. Good. Okay, chalo, fine. Yeah, who is this? Gautam. Gautam, write it in for everyone. Now, why you are sending a personal message to me? Write it for everyone. Your answer is correct because, okay, guys, I'm going into this website. Okay, curl ifconfig.me. Okay, I'm just removing the curl keyword. I'm going into this website, ifconfig.me. As soon as I go here, this is my IP address of my machine. This is, guys, in which format this IP is coming?
Hex.
IPv6.
IPv6. Okay, we are in 2024. Okay, we are getting the IPv6 at this point. Okay, cool. And yes, this is my IP address. Yes. How can we verify? If you will go to your task manager, go to Wi-Fi. Okay, if you have connected to Wi-Fi or LAN, whatever it is, go here and you will able to see that yes, public IP, IPv4 is available here and IPv6 both are available here. Right, you can see 2405.201, 2405.201, same IP, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so how to find the IP address, external IP? Either you can go to your task manager here with the help of command. Okay, so many ways. Okay, so many ways. Okay, whatever you like, you can take it. Okay, this is the IP address I'm getting. Now, another interview question, you can think it IPv4 versus IPv6. You can write it, learn it. We will discuss in the classes. Okay, good. Now, with the help of Windows, so I get it. Now, I want the same command. I will run the same command in Linux, and what I will get it? The external IP of my Linux machine, correct? Or public IP of my machine. Agree? Please first.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please, everyone, please, everyone. Yep. Okay, this is my external IP of my machine. Yep. Do you want me to verify 34,173? 34,173, yes, this is the external IP of my machine. Good. I get to know how to find the IP address of my machines. Okay. Now, let's assume you went to the company and directly someone has given the access to you and he told this is your machine. Now, how you will get to know that which machine it is, what is his configuration, which flavor it is, how you will find to know? Because all Linux, Unix are look like a black screen, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You will write the command uname. Okay, as soon as you will type uname, it is telling I am a Linux. Okay, but is this helpful? No, I want a complete detail. So I'm writing the command uname-a and pressing enter, and I get to know that this is Linux machine, this is Paramveer, this version of the Google Cloud, this version of Ubuntu I'm using it, and this is my time and all the details, 64-bit processor. So uname-a is the command. With the help of this command, it will display the machine related information. So you can take this command, run it in your office lab server, okay, and write down what is your server. Got it?
Yes.
Everyone? Cool. Thank you. Now, I'm typing the command ls. Whatever is the list folders will be available, it will be visible into this. Okay. pwd, next command, pwd, present working directory. Means what I'm doing, in which location I'm working into the current location. pwd, it is giving the answer slash, means I'm into the root directory. Clear? I'm going into my home directory, cd tilt. Okay. cd tilt. What will happen? I will go to my home directory. Okay. I came into the tilt location. If I will type ls, okay, it is telling only one folder is available here. Okay. This is my home directory. Whatever I want to do, I will do it here. I will not do the activity into the do you do all the activities into your C drive here? No, right?
No.
Right? You will go to your home directory or you will do the activity on your desktop, right? The same way I came into my home location. Now whatever I want to do, now I want to create a folder. I want to create a folder here. In the Windows, how to create a folder? First.
So right click.
Right click and do.
Right click, new, and create a folder. I have to provide a name. Who is giving this right click name? Who was telling? Answer. Ankit, right? I given the name. So what I did, I created an Ankit folder here. Okay. Same way, I want to create a folder into my this Linux also. What is the command?
mkdir.
mkdir.
mkdir. Full form is make directory and ankit. Directory has been created with the help of ls command. I can able to see that yes, Ankit directory has been created. Good. Now I want to create a file. In the Windows, I want to create a file. How to create a file?
Again, sir,
Right click new
Right click new.
file, text document.
text document
Text
or any
document.
file.
Okay. File. Okay. Yes, this is my file. It's a text document. Okay. Here I want to create a file.
Cat.
touch. Cat is a wrong command. Okay. touch with the help of touch. File. File. And I press enter. One file has been created. Right. It's an empty file here. It's an empty file here. Correct. I want to read this file. How to read this file? Windows file.
Double click.
Cat.
Double click. Okay, but here I have to run the command cat and file name, and I'm able to see that. I'm able to see that whatever is available written into this file. This file is empty file, so I'm not able to see anything. Good. Now I want to write something into this file. How to write into this Windows file?
Open, double click, open and
vi
Answer, yeah, answer. Guys, don't become
Open
fail
the
into the
file
Windows.
and
See,
edit the file.
just
Edit
open
the
it.
file. Open the file and just.
guys, trust me.
Click and open and then write.
Okay, trust me. If I will be your interviewer, okay, I will take your Windows interview also. There may be chances I will reject you. Correct? Because sometimes if it's a simple thing, interviewer will expect very good answer. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? If it's a very simple thing, see, sometimes interviewer asks your introduction. Why? Because he want to see your communication, how you are talking. Right? Yes or no? Sometimes he asks, what is AWS? He knows that everyone knows AWS, but he's thinking that how you are giving the answers, right? So I'm also expecting that how you are giving the answer. I will use with the help of one software. The software name is Notepad, and I am able to open this file. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is my first file. I just write it here and I type Control S, save, and the file, the detail has been saved into this file, and I can close it. Correct? Same way, I want to edit something into this file. Okay. How to do it? I have to use some software. The software name is VI Editor.
Yeah.
Okay. I open with the help of this. Okay. I'm not teaching the VI at this point. I'm just showing. We have a separate session for 15 minutes for the VI Editor. Okay. I will teach you. VI file has been opened. I type I insert mode. This is my first Linux file. Okay. And I'm saving it. Cool. Now I will run the cat command and I can able to see the details. Correct. I return the data inside with the help of VI Editor. Correct. Yes or no?
Yes,
Means
sir.
I need an external software to write something into the file in the Windows also, into the Linux also. Correct.
Correct, sir. Here is a nano command.
So many options are there. So many options are there. You can open with a Notepad++, Visual Studio, so many options, right? But this is the most popular option. Whatever I'm teaching you, the best practice. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. I created a directory. Okay. Yeah. Touch also I taken care, less man. Okay. Chalo. Let's assume from the last 10 minutes, we learn around 10 commands. Okay. HISTORY. I run the ST command, and you can able to see that for 20 commands I have executed in front of you. Guys, out of 20, which command you haven't understood? Tell me. Yeah, out of this 10 commands, which command you haven't understood? Tell me.
All good, sir.
At
All
least
good.
here, I have a one command. I want to do something. Tell anything, any command. LS?
List
Sure.
directly.
Cat file.
Okay.
VI
LS.
file.
Let assume you haven't understood the LS command. There is a one more command, man. Okay. The command is manual. Okay. And you can type LS. Whatever the command, let assume you haven't understood, you get to know from the internet. You can go from the Google and check it. Okay. Otherwise, you can type the LS command and you can see it here that he is telling listing directory of the content will be visible because of the LS command. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. So the man is a command that is manual command. We can able to see that. Okay. What about more? Yeah. Steve. Yes. More. Guys, Steve is asking one command into the chat box. More. What do you mean by more? Anyone knows here? Hmm?
If the file is very big, we can use more.
Very good answer. Very good answer. Ayush, let us assume, Steve, you have 100 line. 200 lines are written into one file. Okay. If I will run the cat command, everything will be published in one shot. If you want to read by pages, then you will run the more command and it will be come into one by one pages. Okay. No worries, guys. More is also available in my list. Okay. Here it is. I will come up. Okay. Whatever the command is not yet taken, it's not an end. It's just a start. Agree? Okay.
Good, it's coming.
Cool. Okay. In the chat, let me check it. Thank you, Ankit, for giving the answer to the Manju. Okay. In the chat, all good. Okay, cool. Now I have a command who I am. Okay, I'm just running this command here. WHO who am I? Who am I? Who am I? I just press enter. He's telling you are using the root user. So it is giving the root option. Is this available in Windows also?
I
No.
think, yes, I think.
Is this available in Windows? Where it is? Tell me.
No.
Where?
Yeah, works, sir. Who am I?
Guys, give me the answer. Is this available in Windows? Yes, it is available in Windows.
Yes,
If
sir,
you
it
will
is
go here,
available.
if you will go to the users, the current user is admin. He is logged in and he is consuming or using all this activity. So it is available here, especially. Okay. Same way here also, who am I is using the is available as a root. Okay. Cool. Now, I don't want to go into this. I will come up with all the commands. You don't have to worry. This is Windows, right? In the Windows, this is process, CPU, memory, everything is visible. I want to see all the CPU memory into my Linux machine. How to do that?
Top command there. Top command.
Top.
Top. Okay, if you run the top command, top, as soon as I will run it, I will press enter. Yes, my CPU memory or my task manager of my Linux machine has been opened in front of you. Okay, it is telling from the last 36 minutes, this machine is running. Current time is this. Okay, I created the machine into the US, so US time zone it is taking. Okay, one user has been logged in. Okay, this is the average load. 100 processors, 100 tasks are there. Out of that, one is running, 99 is sleeping. Like that, this is my memory related information is showing here, and these are the running applications or processes is showing into this place. What is the task manager of Linux? It is top. Cool, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. I just type Q. Guys, I just type Q and I will be out from that task manager. Okay. Otherwise, it's a continuous process. It will continue run. I just type Q and I am out from the task manager. Okay. Cool. Now, I want to see the running process of my root user, my current user. Can you give me the answer? How to check the running process of my current user? In Windows, I went here, users, and I checked it here. These are the processes used by this person, admin, or the user which I'm using it. Now tell me the same answer in Linux, how to use it.
PS.
Yes.
Good, yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes, this is the processes consuming by the user root at this point. Nothing is working, so nothing is showing, right? Yes or no? Good. Okay. Now I want to see all the processes of my this machine. PS-N.
AUF.
Correct. Who is this? Who is this? Who given this answer? Nagraj, you?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. What answer you has given? PS-AUF,
I said.
AUF. Okay. And yep, little bit things are coming. Okay. That this is extra detail of this is coming. Okay. Good. Now, but still my intention is little bit different. Okay, leave it. Okay, I will come up in some couple of minutes. Okay. But yeah, with the help of AUF command, this is coming. Now I want to see, this is my Linux machine. Okay. Where is my Linux machine? In my Windows machine, I'm able to see that this is my memory users, right? My total is 24 GB. Out of that, 14 GB is currently used. Are you agree? Yes, you are able to see here. I want to see the same thing into the Linux machine. How to do that?
Free command in there. Free command.
DU.
Free.
Disk usage.
I write the command free. Yes,
Free.
everyone. Okay,
Free
everyone.
free iPhone M or G.
I write the free command. As soon as I type the free command, yes, I get the detail. I get the answer. But I'm not able to read this answer. Agree? I don't know my, it's in bytes, it's in KB, GB, I don't know. I'm not able to understand. Okay. But free command is correct. Your answer is correct, but it's not readable format. Agree? Let's assume you want to see the detail into the MB. So you will type free-M. So that the detail will come into the MB. Now the detail is coming into the MB. If you want to see the detail into the GB, you can type G and the details is coming into the GB. Yes or no? I want in a simpler format, and which is a very common. Answers are correct. All answers are correct. But which one we have to use into your real time? Tell me that answer.
DF-H.
Guys, I will reject you if you are giving the wrong answer. My question is not related to disk. My question is related to memory only.
G.
G.
G-H.
-H. Okay, if I will run it -H, yes, now it is giving the readable format. 3.8 GB is total. Out of that, 163 MB is getting used. 3.2 GB is free. All answers are correct, but this is human readable. H belongs to the human readable format. Agree? Right?
Yeah.
Free, M, G, B, so many things will work. But which one you have to remember? Only you have to remember this. Agree? Yes or no? We have to remember this. So many options are there. See, if you will learn 100,000 commands also, your Linux will not get complete. But we have to learn the thing which is usable, which we can be able to remember it. Fine? Thank you. Nice. Okay, free-h, I'm able to see. Now I want to see the disk space of this machine.
Yeah, DU.
DF-H.
Everyone, write it in the chat.
H.
DF-H. Now you are able to at least come with the correct answer. DF-H. Yes, this is my file system of my Linux machine. All the different mount points, wherever it is using it, all the details are showing here. Out of that, it is telling in the root, we have, guys, you choose 30 GB, remember, right? Out of 30 GB, 2 GB is used, means my operating system is installed into 2 GB only, correct? Yes or no? 27 GB is still free. I can put my application in the 27 GB. Okay. And current user 7% is used into this place. That's it. You have to remember so many things are available, but out of that, this is the very important. Clear?
Yeah.
Everyone? So let's take 5 more commands, 2-3 more commands, and then we will go and create the GCP account as well. Okay. ifconfig command. Yes, ifconfig is work into the Windows also. ifconfig into the Linux as well. I run the ifconfig. Yeah, guys, I get error. What is this?
The package is not found.
Correct. Sometime if we try to run something which your machine, my Linux machine haven't understood what is this. He telling this command is not found. I'm not able to understand it. Look like this is related to networking or something. Install this and then run this command.
One more command is there, IP-A.
Can you repeat it? What are you telling, Subhash?
IP-A.
Okay, chalo, we will do it. Okay, but see what I want to teach to you in the Linux. Let assume something is not available. How he will help you out? He will give the straightforward command. You can run this command and you will able to install it. Got my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Now, leave it. Yeah. Let assume you want to see. So first try to understand, guys. Okay. Try to understand this command. What this command says. Able to understand?
OS release.
The release of
Version of OS.
I need a better answer.
Lower and what?
To reading the file.
Correct. It is trying to read with the help of cat command. We are able to read the file. Correct?
Yes.
Right? Simple. Guys, don't go tough answer. Simple answer. With the help of cat command, it will read this file. Chalo, let's read it. I'm reading it. Okay. Okay. I'm reading it. Next, I press enter. I get the operating system related all the information with the help of this file. Means if someone will ask you what is your operating system related information, you can read this file, cat etc os this file. Operating system is Ubuntu 20.4 version. What is focal focia? Focal fossil. What is this? What is this?
This is the release of particular version name.
I can say name of the my Ubuntu version 20, but this is the name, release name of the version 20.4. Correct? No need to remember, but yes, every time you will see some new name. Okay, good. It is Ubuntu. It is coming into the Debian family. Okay. In the starting, I was telling you, right? Debian distributions, right? Let me show you this distribution, right? I told you Ubuntu is coming into this category, right? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Yes or no? First.
Yeah.
Right? Yes, I was telling this, and yes, it is telling it's in Debian family, Ubuntu website, and some more information related to your operating system. Okay, if you want to see your operating system related information, we can see from this place. Okay, with the help of this command. Okay, cool. And can we wind up this for today? Okay, and we will spend 20 minutes in the GCP account creation. Fine. And let me tell you how much command we have learned. We have a one command history. Okay, out of that around 36, let's say some are repeated, you can say around 20 commands or 25 commands we have seen in the today's session, right? Yes or no? Agree?
Yes.
Okay, and I'm giving you all this command, read it, type it in your machine. Okay, at least by today you have to be aware about this, because tomorrow level will be higher. Okay, these are the very basic commands. Day one of the Linux, this command you have to be aware about it. Everyone agree? All good? Yes, no? If I will give you all these commands into this place, you will miss it. Okay. And what is the best place to give the code or commands? What is the best option? Tell me. GitHub, right? Do we have a
GitHub.
bash? Yes, we have a bash 36. Let's see. Yes, I created the bash 36 repo. Where is this detail? Where is the link and all? If you will come to the WhatsApp group, okay? If you will come to our WhatsApp group, okay? Yes, in this WhatsApp group, if you will come here, and if you will see here, all the links and details are available here, right? How to register it, how to, what all things bookmark, and all this GitHub link is available here. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, no?
Yes.
Everyone. Okay. Now when you deleted
Yes,
something,
yes.
what happened? Okay. Good. Cool. And I'm coming here, and yes, all the GitHub links are available. Let me go to the GitHub and I will provide you that. Means whatever the code, some basic code. Okay. Day one, I can say that day one, Linux, Linux, and all the codes are available here. All the commands are available here. You can copy paste. Okay. One time read it and copy paste, that is also acceptable for the day one. Fine. Cool.
Okay.
Okay. And yep. How was the session, guys? Able to understand? Tell me. Able to understand?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Everyone? Basic understanding is clear.
Yeah.
You are ready to level up from tomorrow?
Yeah.
Obviously, yes, right?
Yes.
Right? Our tomorrow will be our level up. Okay. Level up means basic thing we have seen. Okay. Very basic command we have seen. Now we will be specific. Okay. System admin related activities we will see in the tomorrow class. Monitoring related activities we will see into the tomorrow class. Okay. User related activities we will see into the tomorrow class. Okay. Networking related activities we will see into the tomorrow class. Okay. How to generate the keys. Okay. I told you in the starting that you clicked here, public key and private key has been generated. How they have been generated? Because if you will go to any of the MNC from the day one, your manager will ask, give me your public key or private key. Are you agree? Yes or no? As soon as you will join the company, he want to give you the access and he will ask your key. Which key you will provide? Can you write into the chat box? Day one of your company, he will give you the access. Which key you will provide? Public or private? Write it into the chat box. Write into the chat box. Public or private? Public or private? Good. Okay. Now, today, students are giving the correct answer. Everyone, 20, I get a 20 message of the public. Well and good that 20 people will give the public key. Very good. And some 1 or 2% is still public. Guys, don't give the public key, please. Okay. I will help you out how to generate it, how to transfer it, and how to access the machine with the help of SSH as well. Okay. This will be the tomorrow agenda. And after that, it is written here. Okay. Then we will go more into the VI tips and tricks. If we time permits, we will understand the VI editor. I have not teach today how to access it, how to save the file, how to write it, but we will see into the tomorrow session. Fine. Okay. Cool. And after that, we will go more deeper into it, permissions, APT, YUM, so many different things are there. Okay. And we will continue like this. Any question from the today's session? All good? Digestible?
How to SSH through local machine?
We will do it here. We will teach. I will teach. Okay.
Okay.
Fine, right? I will teach. It's just day one. Okay. Now we have created the machine. Okay. After learning it, you have to delete it also.
We will do our projects on GCP only.
No. 1 week we will learn. 1 week we will learn on the GCP, and then AWS will get started. Okay.
Okay.
If you will see the syllabus, 1 week we are doing into the GCP. Okay. This is GCP day one. Okay. This thing we will GCP Google Cloud I have written. Okay. Linux we will learn into the Google Cloud. Linux is same, right? It doesn't matter Google Cloud or AWS GCP, right?
Yeah.
Right. We have to learn Linux, right? So Linux I will teach you into the Google Cloud. Then we will start the AWS. Fine. Now, I'm stopping the recording. Okay. I was doing something. I missed it. What I was doing it?
deleting Google account.
Correct. Did not account, machine. Okay.
Machine, sorry.
Okay, guys, because some student will ask, sir, how to delete it. Okay, that's why I'm teaching it in front of you. Okay, this is the machine. You have to come into this place. You can select it, and the three dots will come, or the delete option will come. Okay, either if the delete option came here, you can click on this delete. Otherwise, three dots are here. Just click on this, and there is a delete option. You can click on the delete, and as soon as you will click on the delete, the machine will be deleted. Okay, now the time came. We have a 15 more minute. I want you to create a GCP account. Okay, everyone. Okay, take a 2-minute break. Okay, find out your, let me open the PPT, or let me open you the document. Okay, so that I will tell you what all things will be required for you guys. Extra for the class. Yeah. I will give you one complete document for the GCP, okay? How the project has to be get created, what will be the pre-request, everything. But today the pre-request is very simple, okay? We need a valid Gmail ID, okay? Valid Gmail ID means it should not like Rocky Hunky, Super Hunky, Love Bite, like that email ID will not work, okay? Your proper name will be required to create a Gmail, to create a Google Cloud account. So log in with your proper Gmail ID, which is very related to your credit card or bank detail name. Guys, agree? Yes or no? If you will use something random email ID or name, your verification will not happen, and the account will work for some day, and it will get closed in some couple of minutes. Fine? Getting my point? So you log in with your valid Gmail ID, be available with the credit card, okay, and be ready. It will charge you 1 or 2 rupees, and this 1 or 2 rupees will be refunded to you in the next 1 or 2 working days, okay. And then you will get a 3 months of free account, and you will get some free credit also. So in the next 3 months, whatever you will use for the Google Cloud, it will be completely free of cost. So make a target in the 3 months. We will learn as much as possible into the Google Cloud, and we will close this account as well. Fine. Make sense? Everyone clear?
Yes, noted. Yeah.
Everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
So from today, the next 3 months of the Google Cloud will be free. We will learn it. Okay. And you will explore so many. And this document, I will give you a lot of things if you face a problem and all these things. Otherwise, don't read it. Okay. Don't read it, because it has a how to delete the account, how to unpaid the bill, tricks and tricks, shut down project and all these things. Don't shut down the project. Don't delete the account. Okay. I'm just giving you this document. Just keep it for your reference. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. And
I have one
something.
question. After 3 months, I should use different Gmail account and different credit
Yes.
card, right?
Yes.
Same thing. Like in Azure, we do.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Same tips and tricks are always same. Okay. Change your email ID and
Yeah,
do the
just
same.
provide that document, sir.
I will provide. Everything is for you guys. Okay. You don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Everything is for you guys. Okay. So I will provide you, because see, the problem is if I will provide this, some student will follow and delete the account also. You know the
Yeah.
student, right?
Yeah.
Because it written how to delete the account. And in my previous classes, some student had deleted the account. Sir, it is written in document. I have told you, don't read it, okay? But it is available. All the details is available, but don't read it. Chalo, we will take a small break. Guys, tell me the number. 2, 3, 4, 5. How many minutes you want? So that you will be available
Only
with your
5.
2 minutes. Okay, I'm giving a 3-minute time. CLOCK. Everyone log into your valid Gmail account, find the credit card, and OTP will come. So mobile phone will also with you. Okay. So you have
Sir, as of now, I don't have a credit card.
It's okay. You can try with a debit card. Okay. But international transaction has to be enabled in the debit card. Okay.
Okay.
Good. And guys, who will do with me? Means who will create an account in front of everyone? Who
I'll
will
do.
create? I means who is that?
Pushing.
Yeah, I already created.
It's okay. It's okay. You created well and good. But chalo, guys, we have a 2-minute break time. Please come back after 2 minutes. Okay. And I'm stopping the recording as well. This recording will also be available in the YouTube. This will be the last recording on the YouTube.